today, we're not just opening a dealership. We are opening a doors to the new era of automotive excellence, which chooses of their innovative reliability and sustainability.
Belen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, so for today's vlog, ikaw
Yes.
ba'y naghahanap ng mga bagong electric car na multi-brand dito sa Pampanga?
Oh yes. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Net Auto. They call it New Energy Technology Auto Store dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. And we are witnessing the inauguration and opening blessing. And yun nga sabi ni Mark, kung ito yung vehicle na hinahanap nyo, guys, samahan nyo po kami.
Yes, so tara, let's go!
Guys. So, yun guys, update lang tayo. So, this is located dito sa may Del Rosario, San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark po, nandito siya sa kanto ng Lourdes Heights. So, it's just along MacArthur Highway. And earlier, na-witness natin yung blessing. And right now, it's more of the socialization and the celebration na. And later on, makikita natin yung mga units. So, yun guys, samahan niyo pa rin kami.
For Net Auto, we carry multi-brands. We're not just stuck with one brand only. As you can see here, we have different brands of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles also. Bringing in different brands para yung customers will have a wide array of choices. Hindi tayo dun na stuck dun sa isang brand lang. Dito you can see different brands, different price ranges. We have mini EVs which are priced at 600,000 below. We also have luxury SUVs and luxury sedans as well. Pero for electric vehicles, virtually maintenance-free. Very little lang yung maintenance, unlike combustion engine vehicles na every 5,000, you have to change your oil, spark plug. Eto ma'am, for electric vehicles, normally gear oil lang which can last you 10,000-20,000 before you replace it. So very minimal cost for maintenance. Hindi ka na magpapagasolina din. So, sobrang tipid, economical. So, eto na yung bagong trend So, I'm very proud that I am part of this, no? Especially dito sa atin sa Pampanga. So, soon, hopefully, and then coming days, coming years, dadami ng new energy transport branches to cater lahat ng ating mga electric vehicle vans. Everybody, I'm inviting you to visit our newest showroom, New Energy Transportation showroom, here in San Fernando, Pampanga, Lourdes Heights, Del Rosario. You can see our showroom here. Along MacArthur Highway lang kami. Come visit. We have different brands, electric vehicles, plug-in hybrids, a wide range of choices for new energy transport vehicles.